Welcome class 10. Today we are going to learn about safety precautions while using electricity. Before that, there is a small topic that needs to be discussed, that is the color coding of wires. In old convention, uh, the color coding of wires were, the red wire represented the live wire, okay. The black colored wire was for neutral, and for the earth the green colored wires were used. Okay, so this was the old convention, but today according to the new convention, the live wire is the brown one, okay. The blue one is for the neutral wire, and the green or yellow, okay, they represent the earth wire. So these are the color codes, okay, that is used in new convention. Now we move on to the safety precautions while using electricity. If the wires used are not of higher current carrying capacity than the total current flowing through it, then it may cause overheating of the live wire, which may result in causing a fire. Okay. Next is short circuiting or breakage in insulation of wire may also cause fire. So this kind of mishappenings, fire may be caused by this kind of conditions. Okay. If the wire is not of higher current carrying capacity, then also it may get overheated, and also short circuiting or breakage of insulation may also cause fire. An electric shock may be caused from an appliance due to, number one, damaged or poor insulation. Number two, touching the appliance with wet hands. Number three, no earthing of the appliance. And number four, no fuse connected with the appliance. So if these four conditions are not checked properly, then there might be a person getting an electric shock from an appliance. So what are the precautions that needs to be taken to avoid electric shock are: the insulation of wires must be of good quality, okay, and it should be checked from time to time, because as time passes by, the insulation of the wires gets brittle and they easily can wear out, and it cracks out, leaving the wire open. So it must be checked time to time. You should never touch the appliance with wet hands, as we have already discussed that what happens if the appliance is touched with wet hands, because water is a very good conductor of electricity. So again, the electric charge may pass through the appliance to the wet hands, so again it may result in electric shock. Next is, every appliance with the metallic casing must be properly earthed. You know why it needs to be earthed properly, so that if there is any flow of current, it may not result in electric shock. Okay, so it needs to be earthed properly. Every appliance must be provided with proper fuse in its live wire. Okay, so if there is proper fuse, the fuse will help in disconnecting the live wire if there is any flow of high amount of electric current. By chance, if the electric current flows, then the fuse will blow off, okay, and it will save the appliance. Also it will save the person to get the electric shock. There must be proper local earthing near the kilowatt hour meter. If this is not done, again the appliance may get damaged easily, or even the person may get the electric shock. So these are the precautions that needs to be followed in order to avoid electric shock. Thank you.